Imagine entering the world without being able to see, hear, or even properly taste what's around you. That's exactly how puppies begin their lives. When they're born, they are incredibly vulnerable, tiny, fragile, and completely dependent on their mother. Their eyes are sealed shut, their ears are closed, and their mouths are soft, lacking the sharp little teeth we usually associate with dogs. And yet, within just a few short weeks, these same puppies transform into curious, playful explorers. So let's uncover, how do puppies go from blind to playful in weeks? How does this transformation happen? And how do puppies go from total sensory darkness to full awareness? Let's walk through this fascinating journey step by step, right here on History of Simple Things. To understand how puppies develop their senses, we first need to understand why they're born this way in the first place. Dogs, like many mammals, have relatively short pregnancy periods, about 58 to 68 days. Because of this, puppies are born in what scientists call an altricial state, meaning they are not fully developed at birth. This is actually a survival strategy. Instead of growing everything inside the womb, development continues outside, where the puppies can grow rapidly with the help of their mother. This early birth means their sensory systems, like vision and hearing, aren't ready yet, but that doesn't mean they're completely disconnected from the world. In fact, they rely heavily on the senses that are functional from the very beginning. Right from birth, a puppy's most important sense is touch. Even though they can't see or hear, puppies can feel. Their skin is highly sensitive, allowing them to detect warmth, pressure, and movement. This is crucial because it helps them stay close to their mother and litter mates. Warmth becomes their guide. Instinctively, they crawl toward heat sources, which usually leads them straight to their mother's body. This is also how they find milk. They don't see the mother or hear her. They feel their way there. Their tiny bodies wriggle and push forward, guided by touch and instinct alone. Temperature plays a huge role here too. Newborn puppies can't regulate their own body heat very well. So staying close to warmth isn't just comforting, it's essential for survival. While their eyes and ears are shut, a puppy's sense of smell is already working, and it's surprisingly powerful. Even at birth, puppies can detect scent cues. This helps them recognize their mother and locate her milk. Each mother has a unique scent, and puppies quickly learn to associate it with safety and nourishment. Their noses guide them through their earliest days. When they're searching for a place to feed, they're not guessing. They're following a scent trail. It's like having a built-in navigation system from the very beginning. This early reliance on smell lays the foundation for one of the strongest senses dogs will have throughout their lives. Around 10 to 14 days after birth, something remarkable happens. Puppies begin to open their eyes. But this doesn't mean they can suddenly see clearly. At first, their vision is very blurry and limited. Light and dark contrasts are about all they can distinguish. Shapes are vague, and movement is more noticeable than detail. It's like stepping into a foggy world where everything is soft and undefined. Over the next few weeks, their vision gradually improves. The brain starts processing visual information more effectively, and the puppies begin to recognize their surroundings. They start noticing their litter mates, their mother, and eventually, the humans around them. This stage is crucial because it marks the beginning of visual learning, understanding the world through sight. Shortly after their eyes open, Usually around 2 to 3 weeks of age, puppies begin to hear. Just like their vision, hearing doesn't switch on instantly at full strength. At first, sounds are faint and unclear, but over time their auditory system develops rapidly. Suddenly, the world becomes much more dynamic. They start reacting to noises, turning their heads, twitching their ears, and eventually responding to voices. This is when you might notice puppies becoming more alert and interactive. Sounds begin to guide their behavior, whether it's recognizing their mother's presence or reacting to unfamiliar noises. Hearing adds a whole new layer to their understanding of the environment, complementing what they're already learning through smell and sight. While all of this sensory development is happening, another change is quietly taking place. Puppies start growing their baby teeth. This usually begins around 3 to 4 weeks of age. At first, the teeth are small and not very sharp, but they quickly become more noticeable. This marks the transition from a purely milk-based diet to the early stages of solid food exploration. With teeth comes a stronger sense of taste and oral exploration. Puppies begin to chew on objects, nibble on their litter mates, and experiment with different textures. This isn't just playful behavior, it's a way of learning. By putting things in their mouths, they're gathering information about the world. Taste, combined with touch and smell, helps them decide what's safe, what's interesting, and what's worth exploring further. By the time puppies reach 8 weeks old, the transformation is incredible. They can see clearly, hear well, and interact with the world in complex ways. Their sense of smell is strong, their coordination is improving, and their personalities are starting to shine through. Think about where they started, blind, deaf, and toothless. Now they're playful, responsive, and full of energy. The journey of a puppy's sensory development is nothing short of amazing. So the next time you see a playful puppy chasing a toy or responding to your voice, remember how far they've come in such a short time. From darkness and silence to a world full of sights, sounds, and experiences, it's a transformation that happens quietly, but it's truly extraordinary. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.